morning. Here we are at our Brinker Farmhouse in Barrington Hills. We have drywall the last couple of weeks. We have primed. Ceilings are being painted early next week. We're going to start installing the hardwood flooring, which is 5 1/4 walnut, all throughout the first floor. All of it's stacked here for right now. We're going to, in our kitchen area here, we're going to have 5 1/4 walnut herringbone flooring. The cabinets come in a couple of weeks, and we'll set the cabinets. Over here into the dining room, it's going to carry on. We have an archway, barrel archway, from the foyer into the kitchen, which is going to look really cool. We'll put a recessed light up in there. We've got the foyer in here, two-story foyer. We've got our beams exposed. These are original beams to the house, which we believe was built in the 1880s. There's more of them in the great room. In here again, we've got them all covered with plastic right now, but they're going all the way around the room. So it's going to look great. Thanks for watching our video, and check back with us again soon.